Hi friends, this is Dr. Anugraha here. So today's topic is that you guys will tell me after you read this question. Okay, the Neet PG previous year question. Let's start. A 5-year-old child presents with fever, headache and acute onset asymmetric flaccid paralysis of the lower limb. See, this is the catchword, acute, pettanna asymmetric flaccid paralysis of the lower limb. Lower limb talarnu poi. There is no sensory loss. Okay, which of the following best describes the pathogenesis of the causative organism? So the question is, ഏത് organism ഒരാളുടെ ബോഡിയിൽ എൻ്റർ ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴാണ് അവർക്ക് flaccid paralysis of the lower limb ഉണ്ടാവുന്നത്? Which one, guys? Okay, there are many organisms causing this actually, but our topic for today is poliovirus. Poliovirus. And here the question is, poliovirus in the pathogenesis. അത് എങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മുടെ ബോഡിയിൽ replicate ചെയ്യുന്നത്? Okay. Look here, guys, very simple. Okay, and the pathogenesis is very simple. Poliovirus എങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മുടെ ബോഡിയിലേക്ക് എൻ്റർ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? By fecal-oral route, like contaminated water, food ഒക്കെ കഴിച്ചാൽ the virus enters. Now, once the virus enters, see, oral route കൂടെ virus enter ചെയ്യുന്നു, okay, and it reaches your oropharynx. It reaches where, guys? Oropharynx, and that is called as the, see, it reaches the oropharynx and then it goes down and reaches your intestines. Okay, so first it affects your gut, your gastric system. That is called as the elementary phase. Very simple, no? Okay. അതിനുശേഷം see, നമ്മുടെ oropharynxന്റെ അടുത്ത് എന്തുണ്ട്? Cervical lymph nodes ഉണ്ട്, and then in the intestine, near the intestines, we have got what, guys? Mesenteric lymph nodes. So this virus goes to the lymphatic system. This virus goes to the lymph nodes also. Cervical lymph nodes ലും പോവും, mesenteric lymph nodes ലും പോവും. So ആ ഒരു ഫേസിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയുന്നത്? lymphatic phase എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Okay, and remember, നമ്മുടെ small intestine-ൽ ileathil we have lymphoid tissue called as Peyer's patches. So this virus, no, it goes and multiplies in the Peyer's patches. Okay, remember that. Okay, adine shesham, you know what this nammade lymphatic phase ine shesham ee lymphoid tissue inde area na lymph nodes in this virus enters your bloodstream. Okay, so from the blood, okay, that is called as viremic phase. This virus enters the bloodstream. Now through the bloodstream, this virus enters different organs of the body. It enters the muscles, it enters the spleen, it enters the liver, and finally it enters what, guys? A central nervous system, namada spinal cord and the brainstem. It affects the brainstem. That is why paralysis occur. See, that is what viremic phase initiation. This virus enters the nervous system, and that is called as a neural phase. That is called as a neural phase. Okay, so look here, guys, this is actually 1 a.m. now. That's why I'm a little sleepy, but no compromise in the class. Okay, yeah. And a picture, okay, very important. Okay, they'll give you this picture and ask you to identify which virus is causing or which virus is affecting these systems. So first, nammade elementary system, uske baad it enters the lymphatics, and adinishesham it enters the bloodstream. Adinishesham it enters the spinal cord and the brainstem, causing paralysis. Understood? Now we'll go back to the question. Okay, back to the question. You can't see me, just a moment. I mean, you can't see the slide, you can see me well. Okay, see here. Okay, so the question here is, how does the virus replicate? Okay, the virus replicates in the, they've given 4 options. Virus replicates in the alveolar macrophages? No. Virus infects the dorsal root ganglia? No. Virus replicates in the Peyer's patches? Yes. Virus enters oropharynx, it goes to the intestine, ileathil entunda? It has Peyer's patches. Peyer's patches and tonsils lo okkeyana ee virus multiply cheyunnathu, right? And then it goes to the lymphatics. Okay, so this third is the answer. Third option. Virus replicates in the polio virus. It replicates in the Peyer's patches and spread to the anterior horn cells of the spinal cord, and then it goes to the brainstem as well, causing paralysis. Okay, so this virus, no, it affects the so this virus affects the motor neurons. Motor neurons neയാണ് ഈ വൈറസ് എഫക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. യൂഷ്വലി ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ആൾക്കാർക്ക് സെൻസറി ലോസ് ഉണ്ടാവില്ല, സെൻസറി ന്യൂറോൺസ് എഫക്റ്റഡ് ആയിരിക്കത്തില്ല. ഓക്കെ ഗൈസ്, സോ ഐ തിങ്ക് ദാറ്റ്സ് ഓൾ യു നീഡ് ടു നോ അബൌട്ട് പോളിയോ വൈറസ്. ഓക്കെ, കമൻറ്റ് ഇൻ ദ കമൻറ്റ് സെക്ഷൻ. ഓക്കെ, നമുക്ക് പോളിയോ വൈറസ് 3 ആൻറ്റിജൻസ് ഉണ്ട്, ആൻറ്റിജനിക് ടൈപ്സ് ഉണ്ട്. പോളിയോ വൈറസ് 1, പോളിയോ വൈറസ് 2, പോളിയോ വൈറസ് 3. ഓക്കെ, ഇതിനകത്ത് okay, I told the answer. ഇതിനകത്ത് which antigenic strain causes vaccine associated second. Yeah, so ഇതിനകത്ത് 1, 2, 3, that is polio virus 1, polio virus 2, polio virus 3, ഈ 3 ആൻറ്റിജനിക് സ്ട്രെയിൻസ് ഉണ്ട് പോളിയോയ്ക്ക്. ഈ സ്ട്രെയിൻസിനകത്ത് ഏത് സ്ട്രെയിൻ ആണ്, 1 ആണോ 2 ആണോ 3 ആണോ വാക്സിൻ അസോസിയേറ്റഡ് പാരാലിറ്റിക് പോളിയോ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നതെന്ന് you will put it in the comment section. Alright guys, okay, I'll see you guys in the next class. Bye bye.